if you want to make your graphics look better when they are moving, then one of the things that you can do is you can add motion blur, and you can change the speed at which it moves, and I'll be showing you how to do that. So first you want to center the anchor point in the layer content. That just makes it easier and makes things smoother. So if you then go down to transform, and you can do the basic position keyframing where you place one point and then another, and you can drag along the values, or you can just drag the image, and you can see it's very basic. There's not a whole lot going on with it, so it can look kind of bland. And if you want to change things up, you can add motion blur and make the object 3D. You have to make the object 3D in order for it to really work, but it just makes it look so much better. If you see here, then there's going to be a little bit of blur when it's in motion because of the motion blur, and it just makes it look a little smoother. It makes it look like there's more movement to it. It just adds a lot to it. And then if you want to change the speed of which it moves, you then want to highlight the two keyframes, click function F9, and that will change these to Easy Ease keyframes. And then you can click on the graph icon next to the timeline, and you'll see this speed graph, and you want to make sure that you have that there, and you can drag the dots there to change the speed at which it moves. So if you move it more one way, you will see that it moves slower at the beginning and then speeds up, or if you move it the other way, it will be faster at the start and then slows down as it moves. So this can just really add a whole lot more to your project and make things look smoother and better with your animations, and it helps a lot when you add character to an animation.